Olá, meus amores, tudo bem com vocês? Iniciando aqui mais um vídeo no canal. Eu me chamo Isabel e pra você que é novo ou nova por aqui, seja muito bem-vindo. Aproveita e se inscreva aqui no canal. Não se esqueça de clicar no gostei. E pra você que já é inscrito aqui, seja muito bem-vindo. Obrigado por estar acompanhando aqui os vídeos aqui no canal. Hoje, gente, tô indo no dentista fazer manutenção do meu aparelho. E também vou aproveitar para fazer umas comprinhas hoje de um mês para casa e repor algumas coisas do mercadinho. Vou também aproveitar e dar uma passadinha no shopping e vem comigo!
I told you every single time, don't you worry. You would always call me at the wrong time, so you can know what I was up to. Oh, don't you get that it's just stupid? Hey, just hear me out. It's been a while since we were good, so why we dragging out when we've been doing everything we could? I don't wanna feel so lonely tonight. Every time we spend time, I wanna do this for the last time. I don't need it, no, I don't need it, no, don't need you here to feel alright. It's crazy how we started off so good. Every single hour with you vanished just like that. But now it feels like I've been trapped, and I can't believe how you don't see it now. Hey, just hear me out. It's been a while since we were good, so why we dragging out when we've been doing everything we could? I don't wanna feel so lonely tonight. Every time we spend time, I wanna do this for the last time. I don't need it, no, I don't need it, no, don't need you here to feel alright. I don't wanna feel so lonely tonight, but you only make it worse whenever you're around. 'Cause I don't need it, no, I don't need it, no, don't need you here to feel alright. I love the way you comfort me, still it's not enough. Oh, I love the way you comfort me, still it's not enough. It's not enough. I don't need it, no, no, I don't need it. No, I don't need it. No, I don't need it. I don't wanna feel so lonely tonight, but you only make it worse whenever you're around. 'Cause I don't need it, no, I don't need it, no, don't need you here to feel alright. I would do anything, I would do anything for you. You know you're everything, you know you're everything to me. Spitting shade in the cold is just my bad temper. What am I supposed to do when the flame's going high with my bad patience? I hate it always falls on you. You know it's not about our love fading. You know it's not about, yeah. You know it's not about our love ending. You know it's not about, it's not about us. You know it's not about us. You know it's not about us. You know it's not about patience, I hate it always falls on you. But you know it's not about our love fading. You know it's not about, yeah. You know it's not about our love ending. You know it's not about, it's not about us. You know it's not about us. You know it's not about us. You know it's not about us. I'm going out with you tonight. Are you close to here? I'm feeling down, I don't know why. No, it's so surreal. Think I want you here. Oh, 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 oh. I don't ask for much, no, I don't need that much, yeah. Oh, 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 oh. Though I want your touch, baby, you're so high, stay. I don't mind a little crazy, but baby, you're so high, stay. We don't need to go that fast. I need this night to last. So you were like me, wanna be free like a summer night. I'm feeling down, I don't know why. What an alibi. But I'm glad you're here. Oh, 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 oh. I don't ask for much, no, I don't need that much, yeah. Oh, 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 oh. Though I want your touch, baby, you're so high, stay. I don't mind a little crazy, but baby, you're so high, stay. We don't need to go that fast. I need this night to last. Slow it down, slow it down, slow it down, slow it down. Baby, you're so high, stay. I don't mind a little crazy, but baby, you're so high, stay. We don't need to go that fast. I need this night to last. Baby, you're so high, stay.
I've been feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Look at the beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Lay my troubles to rest. Blow the smoke through my cigarette. City lights looking fine. myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. I wanna drive a faster car. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me.
Bom, gente, e assim ficou o resultado aqui da minha geladeira. Aqui deixei essas cervejas, aqui coloquei Nescau, deixei essa água de coco aqui. Aí aqui segui assim, deixei essas águas com gás, essa caixa de bombom, aqui deixei manteiga, garrafa de água, leite. Aqui em cima por enquanto não ficou nada. Aqui eu deixei gordura, nata. E aqui eu deixei também toicinho. Mais alguma coisa de porco aqui também. Ali esse pote de manteiga. Deixei esse leite fermentado aqui e esse iogurte. Aqui na gaveta ainda não... Só deixei essas ameixas aqui e essas bananas porque eu ainda não comprei fruta. Vou comprar fruta agora pra semana, pra mim repor. E aqui ficou assim, ficou mais iogurte ali, presunto, mortadela e massa pra pastel. Aqui em cima, eu dei só uma organizada, eu não limpei o congelador. Deixei esses tiquiniques aqui, deixei os waffle. Aqui é filé de tilápia, mais tiquiniques. Aqui tem pão de queijo, frango. Aqui são alguns peixes que meu esposo comprou. Tem sorvete, tem mais frango aqui e aqui. Aqui em cima, deixei carne moída e linguiça. Vou seguir com vocês também a organização agora do meu armário.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know, if I'll ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down.
Então é isso, meus amores, esse foi o resultado final de como ficou a organização das compras. Algumas coisas não ficaram aqui porque ficam tudo lá no começo, por isso eu coloco aqui só o essencial que eu uso mais. Aqui embaixo também ficou assim, deu uma organizada. E aqui também deixei mais ou menos e deixei aqueles pães ali também. Então é isso, meus amores, vou encerrar agora aqui o vídeo com vocês, tá bom? Eu espero que vocês tenham gostado muito. Não se esqueça de clicar no gostei, de se inscrever aqui no canal, ativar o sininho para receber todas as notificações dos vídeos que eu postar aqui. Então é isso, um super beijão e até o próximo vídeo. Tchau!